Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the slider and the teeth closely so you know what's wrong. Once done, free the stopped end and clear lint or thread caught between teeth. This restores engagement. Make sure to test slider movement gently before forcing it. If teeth are bent, realign them with needle nose pliers. If the slider is loose, you'll crimp it later. Keep parts organized and repeat light tests as you go so you understand the zipper's behavior. You now tackle the middle work. Straighten any bent teeth by pressing toward the tooth base so they mesh cleanly. Once aligned, slide the zipper slowly to confirm engagement. If it skips, slightly crimp the slider's back and front plates with pliers to improve grip. If the slider is worn or missing teeth are irreparable, remove the old slider and thread a replacement on from the bottom while keeping teeth aligned. Make sure to test several full openings to confirm smooth travel. You finish by reinstalling or sewing secure stops at the top or bottom so the slider cannot run off. Use a few tight stitches or new metal stops. Once secured, lubricate teeth with wax or graphite and run the slider 3 to 5 times to spread lubricant evenly. If the zipper still separates or jams, replace the slider again or consider replacing the entire zipper. That's the only reliable option when multiple teeth are missing or fabric tape is shredded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.